Hello everybody. Hope all of you are fine. Welcome to my class. Here's my introduction. I am Deepa Barua. Today we will learn an interesting topic. Let's see. This is a group of 5 and this is another group of 3. First group has 5 triangles. That means first group has more triangles. And second group has 3 triangles. That means this group has fewer triangles. So, when a number or group or quantity is bigger or larger than the second number or group or rest quantities, we use greater than. As the same way, when a number is smaller than the second number, then we use less than. Now we have to know what's the sign of less than and greater than. Look, here's the sign. Now we see the pictures of less than and greater than. Here we use the mouth of alligator to represent the symbol. Imagine the alligator always wants to eat the larger number. So whatever number the mouth is open towards the larger. Okay, so our first pictures, the alligator mouth open to the left side, that means it is greater than. And second pictures, the alligator mouth open to the right side, that means is what? Less than sign. So what's the today's topic? Yes, today's topic is greater than and less than. Greater than and less than symbols can be used to compare numbers and expressions. Here's the learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to learn the concept of greater than and less than. Look, in this picture, we see 2 groups. First group has how many pencils? 3 pencils. And second group has 6 pencils. Which is more? Which is more, guess? And which is less? 3 is less and 6 is more, right? We always see the first number. What is the indicator of our first number? Our first numbers indicate it less than the second number. So, which sign comes here? Yes, less than sign. Next picture, we have 2 apples in first group and then second group we have 1 apples. Which is more? 2 is more. So, more indicate greater than sign. And then 4 ice creams in one group and another group is 5 ice cream. First group, that means first number is less than second number. So which sign comes now? See, less than sign. How many strawberries are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 strawberries are there. And then how many strawberries? 3 strawberries. Which is more? 6 is more. So which sign? Greater than sign. Whoa, there are so many beautiful birds, right? First group has how many birds? Let's start your counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds. And second group, 4 birds. So the sign is greater than because 6 is more than the second number. Another example, 6 and the second number is 3. Which number is more? Look, the first number 6. The first number is more than the second number. So the sign is greater than. And then 15, the first number and another number is 18. First number is less than the second number. So here's less than sign is come. And then 22, 12. 22 is more than 12. That means 22 is larger number than the second number. So greater than sign we have to use them. (26) and 30. 26 and 30. Which is more and which is less? Look at the first number. The first number is less than the second number, so less than sign. And 22, 20. Which is more? The first number, right? 22 is more than the second number is 20, so greater than. And then 19, 12. Which sign is comes now? Yes, here greater than sign because 19 is more. Practice 46, 49. Look, the first number is indicate less or more. Yes, the first number is less than the second number, so less than sign comes. 48, 42. Which is more? 48, so greater than sign. 51 and 43. Which is more number? 51. 51 is greater than the 43. So we use greater than sign. It's a quiz time. Put the appropriate sign. Number 1, 7 and 9. So tell me the answer. Which sign? Let's see the answer. Yes, less than sign. And number 2, 14 and 11. 14 is bigger than the 11 number, so greater than. And third, 23 and 19. So tell me which sign. Now we put here 23 is what? Yes, 23 is bigger than the second number, so see the answer, greater than. 26 and 29. Which sign? Less than sign, because 26 is less than the second number, and second number what? 29, so less than sign. Number 5, 30 and 15. Which is more? Look, the first number 30 is more, so greater than sign. So my dear students, thanks to all. Thanks for watching my video. Everyone stay safe. Goodbye.